I run out of stuff, so I don't know what to do.
Hey, it's Aly, and I'm back for another hair video. I got a lot of requests on my Instagram and my YouTube to do a curly version of my heatless hairstyle videos, so this one is going to be for like looser curls. First, when you get out of the shower, go ahead and put your hair in a ponytail so that it doesn't have time to curl up like mine did. Mine actually dried kind of stringy, but whatever. Anyways, we're going to take 2 pieces of hair from the top of our head, and then we're going to put the front one over the back one, okay? And then we're going to take that new piece that's in the front, and then we're going to add more hair to it, and then twist that back, and just keep repeating that process. And I will leave links in the description to this kind of like twist braid, because there's tutorials on YouTube. I'm not really the best at explaining it, you know. It might be easier if you watch someone else do it, because yeah, I suck. Anyways, so do that to the both sides of your head. Oh my god, I can't talk. And then put that in a ponytail, and then comb out the ponytail, make sure that it doesn't curl up or isn't like super stringy and weird like mine was. And then take it above where the ponytail holder is and just split your hair into 2, so that this way we can take the ponytail and flip it in, kind of like, I don't know, just watch and you'll be able to see. So as you can see, I am flipping, I guess, my hair through the, I don't even know, whatever, just do this until all your hair is wrapped around. And again, I will also leave a video to this technique in the description if I can find one. And then I also went ahead and showed you this with braids. Don't do it with braids. I literally am just showing you this so you can see the pull through technique easier. Okay, this is not how you're supposed to do it. This is just so that you can see it easier. Okay, so this was my hair the next morning. I did not take it out on camera because I honestly forgot, but then I was like, oh shoot. So obviously it came out a little bit worse than I thought it would, but you know, this was my first time, and again, practice makes perfect. I know this tutorial might have been a little bit confusing, but once you start doing this a lot, it will be a lot easier. I'll also leave tutorials down below on how to do the sections and stuff, because I know I explained it very badly, but anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I love you all. Bye.
Boy, just go home.